Welcome back to Sue's Kitchen JA. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my sweet potato salad using sweet potato. As you can see, it's already peeled and washed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dice it up. I already have my pot on it, waiting for it to boil to put in the potatoes to cook tender. That our water is boiling up, we're going to add our sweet potato in it that we already. Because we are doing potato salad, I normally put egg in mine, so I'm going to put 2 eggs to boil or to scald. So now we're going to check to see if our potato is finished cooking. So once the fork goes through clean, we know that it's cooked. So now we're going to strain off the water, and then we're going to add in our finished ingredients. These are all of the ingredients we are going to add in our sweet mashed potato. I'm going to use some mixed veg. We have our scalloped egg that I picked and I cut up in dices, and we have our onion chopped up to give it a little crunch. We're going to use just a little small portion of country crock butter. This is for decoration. You know, you have to have the mayonnaise in it. So this is everything. So now we're going to add them in. We're going to add in our mixed vegetables, and then we're going to add in our eggs and onions. And after that, now we're going to add in just a small portion of butter, not a lot butter, and that's in. And then we're going to add in our mayo. For the mayo now, we're going to add in 3 spoonfuls. You can add in more if you wish, but I'm going to add in 3. That's 2. And voila, 3. So after we add in all of these ingredients, we're going to mix them together. So this is how it looks when you're mixing everything together. So I'm going to make sure that the mayonnaise and the butter is mixed with the vegetable and also the sweet potato. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks after we have mixed everything up. So now we're going to put on our finishing touch. Parsley leaf, parsley. So this is my sweet potato salad. You can try it and let me know. You can have this with French fried chicken, escovitch fish. You can have it as is, or you can have it as just a side dish, but this is how it looks. I hope you will try it and let me know how yours turn out. Thanks for making it Sue's Kitchen. This is the final result of my sweet mashed potato using egg. So this is how it looks. So this looks so good, and this is so sweet and moist and nice. So guys, go and try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you, because we all know that sweet potato is more healthier to eat than white potato. So let me know how you try this recipe and how it turns out for you. As usual, thanks for making it Sue's Kitchen JA. Feel free to leave me a like, a comment, and also a share. And also subscribe to my channel if you're new. And tell your friend about Sue's Kitchen JA. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.